Parameter and area for compound figures. Last class, we took how to find parameter and area for compound figures. What's the meaning of compound figures? We're going to see that after a few examples. This is from your textbook, page 255. Those two questions, I'm going to take them as example just to explain what's the meaning of compound shapes. Compound shapes consist of mixed shapes together, such as this area. This is a square, and this is almost here is a rectangle. We need to find the parameter for it by adding these sides together as we took before. And the definition of what's the meaning of parameter is to add the sides for any shape. But the trick here, sometimes they do not give you the length for each side, such as this one. To find this length, you have to put these numbers down there and add them together. So this piece exactly measures as this one. So this one is 2 millimeters, and this one plus, take this line as a plus sign, and this is 3 millimeters. Okay, so this whole side measures as 5 millimeter in all, okay, in all. Okay, now this side, the whole side is 4 millimeter. This one is 2. This one is missing. How can I find it? By projecting this side to this side the opposite way by this line. So this piece 3 millimeter is equals to this one. So here is 3 millimeter, and how much is left here, which that equals the opposite one here. So 3 millimeters plus what gives you the whole length, 4 millimeter, which equals 1 millimeter, which equals this side. So this side is going to be 1 millimeter. This side equals 5 millimeter. Now all the sides have been found. Okay, we are going to add them together. Sometimes you can mix up what number that you added or not. So I always start with a point here, just that indicates that I started from here, going clockwise. Okay, so to find the parameter for this shape, we have to add all of these sides. So starting from this one, 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus this whole side, 5 plus this whole side, 4, and going to the start line. That means we are done. Add these numbers together. 3, 6 is 9, 9 and 9 equals 18 millimeter, the parameter of this compound shape. Okay, let's try the second one. Okay, this one is missing. It's the same as the length of this one. So this one is 0.9 centimeters long. Okay, this side is missing. This side is missing. Okay, we have to find these values, the values for these sides. Okay, so this one equals to the opposite one on the other side. So this one equals 0.4 centimeter. Okay, the other one, okay, I'm going to draw some lines here just to show you that this one 0.2 and 0 and 1.3, if you added these sides together, they all gonna add up into 1.6 centimeters. So I'm going to subtract 0.2, 0 and 1.3 from 1.6 just to find this missing length. Okay, I'm gonna add these together. So 0.2 plus 1.3 equals 1.5 take it out from 1.6. So the length for this side equals 0.1 centimeters. Okay, now to find the parameter for this side, I have to add these all numbers. Now we are going to add the decimal numbers now. Okay, starting from this side, I started with 1.6 plus 0.9 plus 1.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.2. Now this one again, 0.4, 0.1, 0.9, and we are done. Add these numbers together. Okay, 15, 18, 22, 24, 28, 29, 38, sorry, 4 and 1 equals 5. So the parameter for this shape equals 5.8 centimeter long. Okay, always remember to write down the unit for the parameter or for the area in the next question. Okay, now the next example is to find the parameter and the area in this metal plate. This is an example from your book. Okay, now just like the way that I showed you before to find the parameter for this shape, let's do it and finish it. The parameter is going to be equal, adding all of these sides, and it is obvious that all of these lengths are known, so I'm going to add 8 plus 2. I'm going to start from here. 8, 2, 3, 5, 3, another 3, here's 8, 3, plus 3, plus another 5, plus 3, plus 2 centimeters. Some can do just by adding those sides, then multiply it by 2 because this is almost a symmetrical shape. Okay, let's add these numbers. Okay, how many 8s? 1, 2, here's 16. 1, 2 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that equals 18. Here is another 10. Add these numbers together. Okay, here is 10, 18, and then 4. So the parameter for this shape equals 48 centimeter long. Okay, let's go about finding the area for this compound shape. For this compound shape, you have to divide this shape into areas. Okay, the first one has been done. This question has been done for you. They already divided these areas by cutting these the shape into 3 main areas: area number 1, area number B, area number A, B, and C. You have to find, so the total area is going to be by adding area of A and area of B and area of C. Let's find each one of these aside, then we're gonna add them together at the end. Okay, so area of A, as we can see, it's a rectangle. Remember, what's the formula for finding the area for the rectangle, which is length times width, right? Which equals, how much is the width? 2. The length equals 8, so 8 times 2, which equals 16 centimeter square. Always the area's unit is squared. Okay, area of B is gonna be equal this piece of rectangle again. Here is 5, and here is something missing, guys. How to find this missing line? We know this is a rectangle. 3 is here and 3 is here. 3 plus this side equals 8 for the opposite side of it. So the missing length here is going to be 2 centimeters. Okay, so the area for this rectangle is going to be 5 times 2. So length times width is going to be the length equals 2 times 5 equals 10 centimeter square. Okay, the last one is going to be 8 times 3. So area of C is going to be length times width again. The length equals 8 times 3 equals 24 centimeter squared. So the total area, we have to add these values together. Let's add them. Okay, 10, 1, 2, 3, and 2 equals 50 centimeter squared. So this is the total area for this piece of compound shape. Okay, next. This is from your textbook, page 256. Okay, in these questions we have to find the perimeter and the area. I'm going to divide my working space. Okay, here I'm going to find the perimeter. Here I'm going to find the area for question number 15 and 16. Okay, let's find the missing length. This one is missing. Okay, it equals, if you added this piece with this piece, it's going to be equal for 6 centimeter long. So we are going to say that this side equals 2 centimeter, because if you added 2 plus 4, it's going to be equals 6. Okay, let's add these sides to find the whole perimeter for the shape. Okay, then 6 plus 2 plus, oh, here's another missing one. Okay, guys, so this is whole 6. 4 has been cut, so here is another 2 centimeters long. So 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6, which equals 12 plus 8 plus 4 is going to be 24 centimeter long. This is the parameter for this shape. Let's find the area of it. You can divide this compound shape into 2 ways. The first way by taking this rectangle with this square, or this rectangle with this small square. It's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna divide it in this way. This is area A and this is area B. So the total area is gonna be by adding these areas. So area of A is gonna be length times breadth, which equals 4 times 6, which equals 24 centimeter squared. Area of B is gonna be it's a square 2 times itself, which equals 4 centimeter squared. Add these values together, it's gonna be 28 centimeter squared. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, we have to find the perimeter and find the area of it. Okay, let's find this missing length. This missing length is by adding 1, 2, another 1, another 2, another 1. Okay, because if you project these on the other side, this is going to be added together to find the whole length of this side. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's 6 meter long. Okay, let's make sure again. 2 and 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, it is 7 meters long. Okay, let's find the other missing ones. This is 3 projected for this other one, so this is 3 meter long. Okay, what else? This is 2 meter. Here's 2 meter. Here is 4. Here's another 4 meter. Okay, if we went 3 here, so this one it's already has been done. So 1, 2, 3, known, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 7. Okay, let's find the total parameter for the shape, which equals 4 plus, starting with plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus another 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus another 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 7. Go back to the last one. Okay, add these numbers together. 1, 2, 3 plus 4 and 4 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7. I made it shorter. 16, 13 plus 3. So 16 plus 16 equals 32 meter long. Okay, to find the area, there is many ways that you can divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a lot of areas. The best way is to cut it as this is area number 1, area 1, area 2, area 3, and area 4. Okay, area 1 is going to be equal 7 times 3. This is 4. Take away 3 equals 1, which equals 7. Area 2. Where's area 2? Here's area 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. Area 3 is going to be 2 times 1, which equals 2. Area number 4 is going to be 3 times 1, which equals 3. Now add these areas together. 10, 5, 15 meter squared. Okay. Next. Okay. In question 20 to 24, you have to find the area that is shaded. In this question number 20, we have to find this blue shaded area. You have to say that the whole big rectangle is area number 1, and the small square is area number 2. To find the area that's inside, you have to take the area of the big square, the area of the big rectangle, take away the area of this small square. Okay, then the area of the blue shaded with blue is gonna be area number 1. Take away area number 2. What is area number 1? Because it's a rectangle, it's gonna be 20 times 10. Take away area of 2, which is a square, 4 times 4. Okay. Then here is 200. Take away 16. The answer is going to be 184 centimeter squared. Okay. This is the area for the blue shade. Next. Okay, it's not that obvious, but here's the area that I'm supposed to find it. Okay, again, take the big rectangle as area number 1. Okay, here's 2 squares. Here's area number 2, area number 3. So to find the pink shaded area, we have to find the big shaded rectangle, take away area 2 and area 3. So the shaded area is going to be area 1, take away area 2 plus area 3, which equals area number 1, 2 meter times 3 meters. Take away area number 2. In this case, you are going, which is 1 times 1, excuse me, plus area number 3, they gave it in centimeters. In this case, you have to change the units. So 40 centimeters equals how much in meters? Which equals 0.4 meters. So area number 3 equals 0.4 times 0.4, which equals 6. Take away 1 plus 0.16, which equals 6. Take away 1.16, which equals, I'm going to do it here. Here is 0. Take away 1.16. 5, 9, 10, 4, 8, 4, which equals 4.84 meter squared. And thank you for watching.